first is I did go ahead and pre-microwave these. And we're gonna put about a fourth of a cup of olive oil. Okay, and now we have that. Then I went ahead and I got some oregano leaves. And I'm gonna put, well, let's just take the lid off. I usually put about a tablespoon. That's about a tablespoon. I put about a tablespoon of oregano leaves in. And then I'm gonna put a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. Okay, and then we're just gonna stir it. Then after that, we're gonna take the potatoes, we're gonna put them in here. Okay, now I'm gonna toss the potatoes in the sauce. Okay, so now I have all the potatoes on my tray. I'm gonna save this sauce because I'm probably gonna put some over the top in a minute. Once you have your potatoes onto your dish, you just need some sort of cup that has a flat surface because we're gonna smash these potatoes. So I'm just gonna smash each one. I am gonna use a little bit of this sauce. I'm just gonna drizzle it over the top of these. Now we are going to put these in the oven at 400 degrees and we're going to cook them for 15 minutes and then at the end of 15 minutes we're going to turn them so they get nice and crunchy. So I'll put these in the oven and now they're perfect. I'll just put these on the plates. I hope you enjoyed cooking with me and I hope you have a wonderful day.